In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a CSV file of submissions in Jotform Report Builder. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log into your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Choose the form that contains the submissions you want to export. Then, select the form, click Reports at the top and choose Add New Report. From the available report types, select CSV report. Review the list of fields that will be included in the export. Uncheck any fields you don't want in the CSV file, and if needed, enter a custom report name or enable password protection. When you're finished, click Create to generate the CSV report. Once the report is ready, you can download the CSV file and open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet application. That's how to create a CSV file of submissions in Jotform Report Builder. Thanks for watching.